H-1B's and entrepreneurs, that is a key subject of the proposed regulations that recently came out in October 2023 regarding H-1B's. So what does it say exactly? First of all, traditionally, it has been possible for a foreign national beneficiary to have the company that they own, at least a part of, sponsor them for an H-1B. However, the guidance has not necessarily been clear. It's been issued through memos that have changed, policies that have changed over time, unwritten policies and kind of trends that we've seen over time. There was also an employee-employer relationship memo that was issued in 2010 that was later rescinded. And even though that memo isn't in effect anymore, it may have a chilling effect. And perhaps people haven't filed that otherwise would have in situations where they own at least part of the company. So the proposed regulations that are out there indicate that if a foreign national owns the majority of a company or has the majority of the voting power, it is possible, even in that situation, for their company to sponsor them for an H-1B. The job duties that they have to be, the majority of their job duties or the majority of their time have to be spent on job duties that are specialty occupation job duties. Specialty occupation refers, of course, to the idea that the H-1B is designed for professions that require, or positions rather, that require a specific degree, a minimum of a bachelor's degree in a specific field of study in order to enter that profession. So in other words, even though you're going to be an entrepreneur and be sponsored for an H-1B, your job duties still have to align with the H-1B specialty occupation. So for example, if I were going to own a law firm and have my law firm sponsor me for an H-1B, the majority of my time would need to be spent on lawyer duties, not on business ownership duties. It is possible, the regulations do indicate that it's possible for a portion of the job duties to be spent on non-specialty occupation job duties. So again, for the example of a lawyer, that might be things like reviewing the bookkeeping, doing trust accounting, perhaps doing business development things that aren't necessarily tied specifically to being a lawyer. But the majority of the job duties, the majority of the time has to be spent on specialty occupation job duties. The regulations do not prohibit a person from working for more than one entity. So you could have two entities that you own sponsor you. You could be working for company A and have company B that you have an ownership interest sponsor you, as long as the employment agreement allows for that. So that is a possibility. In addition, the regulations as they are out right now, the proposed regulations indicate that the validity period would be different. So that is, the validity period for an entrepreneur H-1B would be 18 months instead of a possibility of 3 years for the initial petition and for the first extension. And thereafter, the beneficiary would be eligible for a 3-year extension just like everyone else. So yes, there are some limitations still, but we're really excited that at least there's some clarity about situations in which a foreign national may be able to have their company sponsor them for an H-1B, even if they have an ownership interest in the company. As you probably know, a lot of foreign nationals are very entrepreneurial, and we are really excited to have foreign national talent in the United States come share their gifts and their talents, create companies, contribute to the economy, create jobs for other people. We're really excited about this possibility. Keep in mind that these are proposed regulations. They're not active right now. They haven't been finalized right now. So the comment period ends in December, this month, December 2023, and we don't know when the finalized regulations will come out or exactly what they'll say. When that happens, we look forward to breaking them down for you, making sure that you know how they apply and how they can help you. Until then, my name is Emily Sumner with Sumner Immigration Law, serving clients throughout the United States and throughout the world. We would love to help you with your employment-based or family-based immigration matter. Make sure that you call us today to see how we can help. 804-396-3412. Again, 804-396-3412. We look forward to hearing from you soon.